Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what we're going to do on this episode is give you guys my 1 year review of the Tangem Wallet. So, I've had this wallet for well over a year, but I wanted to just speak from the heart, share with you guys why I love this wallet so much. And even like today, there's just more news, more updates, more everything. So if you guys do get something out of this, please, please, please like, comment, subscribe. This is going to really help propel the channel. Not only does it help out with views and the algorithm, but for me personally, I like seeing feedback. I like knowing that a lot of you are now using self-custody. And, I just want to make sure that, you guys are protecting your crypto and you're using the right websites. You are, setting things up properly. So we have videos on all of these things and more. So all you guys have to do is go to the channel and find that for yourself. So here, this is the Crypto Moose channel. You guys can go here, type in Tangem, type in whatever it is you want to learn about. I've done a bunch of YouTube shorts. I know on the channel we've done tons of wallet setup videos and tutorials. So even in terms of our most popular, we have how to send crypto to your Tangem wallet. So if you do want to know how to use these wallets, then definitely watch those videos. So we've got unboxing, other reviews. We have, comparing wallets and more. So really check those out, okay? So what makes this wallet so special? Okay. So I kind of want to start from the top and get into some thoughts and opinions. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit off script, but I think that's the point of this video, right? People want to have a real world review, right? An honest, authentic review. So that's what I want to do here. So guys, why Tangem when there are so many other options? Right? It's very simple. And that's going to be the word for this video. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Leonardo da Vinci, right? Guys, this wallet is so simple to use, so simple to set up. It's simple to recommend, right? I've owned well over 20 hardware wallets over the past, 2.5 to 3 years. I've been really diving into these things. In this wallet, guys, like first off, I hate to put it in front of my crypto.com wallet, but look at that. It fits right in your wallet. So the portability of this wallet is great. It does have a little bit of scratches, okay? But the actual dimensions of the wallet, the scale of it, it's very compact, it's very portable. So that's going to be one of the biggest reasons why I like this wallet, and it's been holding up. So this wallet, this card wallet, I know it's the Tangem wallet, but this wallet card has been in my wallet that I have credit cards, debit cards, etc. In there. The Visa Platinum. I got the gold cards. I'm kidding. But this wallet is awesome. It's really good. And it's held up. I've never had any issues with them. So that's going to be kind of a big thing, right? You want a durable wallet. And this has done it. This has really done it. So I do like that part. The other thing, and if you guys want to, while I go through this, you guys can go on the Twitter right now and check it out. And if you guys haven't ordered one, use the link tree. So use code Moose. You're going to save some money. And in fact, you are going to earn a little bit of Bitcoin. So get $5 BTC reward. So that's going on right now. As you can see, they announced that just about a week ago. Okay. So they're very active with what they're doing, right? But guys, make sure that you order from the right website. And this is going to be my favorite wallet going into 2026. Okay. So I like that. One thing I wanted to mention is that the the app, okay? The app has been nothing short of freaking phenomenal. And that's the core of this video, okay? So we talk about simplicity, right? You've got a hardware wallet, you're competing against other brands. This wallet continues to create updates, like they're listening to us. Like they are vividly, right, with high saturation, listening to what their customers want. That's what I've been finding out with this wallet, okay? I wish I would have invented this product and I would have a team of software updates like they're doing. So this is the Tangem app, okay? So once you set up the wallet, again, I've got tutorials on that. Watch the one with the seed phrase. It's a great video, right? All you're going to do, guys, is scan the wallet. You tap the wallet to the back of your phone in the app. So you download the Tangem app and you update it, right? You put in your password. So I'm going to do that right now. And you tap again. This is NFC. So only the cardholder can get access to the account. So your private keys, when you guys set it up, use a seed phrase, back it up. And you as the cardholder with your password is the only person that can access the account. So here I don't really have a lot in this particular account, but that's okay. So in this wallet, I can now manage my crypto. And again, guys, that took just a few seconds, right? And for somebody to take my crypto, they would need my seed phrase. If they have the card, it don't matter. If they have my phone, it don't matter, right? You need to know the password and have the card in the phone. So there's so much security and there's so much simplicity going on at the same time. I mean, it just keeps getting better. So look at this. I can hold Bitcoin, Cardano, USDT, BNB, Solana, Tron. It supports so many different cryptocurrencies. And if I go up here as well, you've even got Wallet Connect. So I can connect this to something like a desktop. So if I went here, you know, I guess I would almost have to set it up. But if I went to Aave, if I went to, you know, a lending and borrowing protocol, I could connect my wallet, right? So right now, I'm doing things with like cornucopias, right? Where I can, you know, use Wallet Connect to a third party wallet, anything via Wallet Connect, and really, you know, begin to do decentralized finance, right? You can stake easier, etc. So I like that. I like that a lot. One other big thing about Tangem, and they have a lot of partnerships, which I've noticed, is the swapping. So in the middle here, you have a buy, swap, and sell. Okay. Here you can go to swap. And let's say I want to take, what do I even have in here? A little bit of Trezor or a little bit of Tether. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Tether. So I'm under Tether. I got a little bit here, like $80. Hit swap. And if I were to do max amount, I could swap $80 for $78.61 of Solana. And what's even better about this now is that you have different providers. So here we've got Changely, Change Hero, Simple, Swap. So you are using a non-custodial wallet, right? A wallet that acts as another layer of protection where you own the keys and you can make swaps, right? So when I walk out the door, when I leave, when I'm not in the office, when I'm not editing videos, that's what I do. I'm a video creator, but I work on commercials. I'm working on documentary, other stuff. Look me up, right? Just look it up. But guys, at the end of the day, like, what other wallet allows you to do this so simply that has still a solid level of security? In fact, one of the most secure crypto wallets in the world, EL6 Plus, never been hacked. So I don't know. You tell me. You tell me what wallet is $50 at the bottom end. So here, guys, go to the link tree, click Tangem. Guys, you can get a 2-card set for $49.41, not even $49.99. like, this blows my mind. And there is the Tangem ring as well. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to get my hands on another one. The Moose actually needs to find the ring. So I don't know what I did with the ring, but that's okay. But guys, like, bare minimum $50. If you really want to protect your crypto, this is where I put my Bitcoin. So I just I flat out said it in a recent video. My Bitcoin I hold on my Tangem wallet, my Tangem ring in wallet. The ring comes with backup cards. So I misplaced my ring. That's a whole video. Maybe the Moose should do a video on that. But that product is incredible as well. So, guys, this wallet is stupid good. Stupid good. If we go to wallet, I want to get into, yeah, like, guys, literally 3 minutes to set this guy up. It doesn't take long. You tap it, put in your password, tap it, password. If you have 3 cards, you tap it one more time, whatever it is. It's so simple. Write down your seed phrase, though. Set it up properly. This is the best wallet in 2025. It's probably going to continue to be the best wallet in 2026. I already did a video on it. Okay, unless something else comes out, I'll do a video then. I'll manage it. But they keep doing updates and updates and updates. So here, even if I take a look, like, look at the work that they're doing. Working with Sandbox, they're doing an interview there. Guys, this thing is just awesome. It's just, for a 1-year review, for something that was sent to me, that I reviewed, and to where I'm at today, actually blows my mind. Because when I was first sent a product, the Tangem wallet, to review, I thought, you know what? I kind of like my other wallets. This one exceeded expectations. And years later, okay, I've had this wallet for over a year, but years later, you now can hold almost any asset that you would want. The swaps are cheap. NFT support. Security's there. Like, I'm really blown away, and I'm very impressed. So we're going to give Tangem Wallet an A. Okay, I would give an A+, but that would be like God mode. So, like, guys, look at this. Tangem's top weekly swaps, XRP, Sol, BNB, cheaper. Like, guys, they're just really listening. They're very, like, really, really, really listening here, okay? So I am beyond impressed with this wallet. It is one of the most secure crypto wallets in the world, if not the most. And yeah, that's all I want to do. So guys, use the link tree, use code Moose. Give me your thoughts and opinions. Do you like your Tangem wallet? Have you picked one up? What's stopping you? At the end of the day, if you have a cell phone and if you have a bunch of crypto, I can't recommend anything else any stronger. Cheers, everybody.